So, you want to get your Phantom wallet connected to the Ape Terminal platform? I got you. Many crypto enthusiasts in the USA use platforms like Ape Terminal for token sales, and Phantom is a popular wallet choice for this. First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet extension installed in your web browser and that it is unlocked. Then navigate to the official Ape Terminal website using your browser. Look for a button that says Connect Wallet or something similar. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the web page. Click on it. A pop-up window or a list might appear showing different wallet options. Select Phantom from this list. Your Phantom wallet extension should then open a new window asking you to approve the connection to Ape Terminal. Review the request, and if you agree, click Approve or Connect. Once successfully connected, the Ape Terminal website should show your wallet address or an indication that your wallet is linked. And that's it.